KAMAZ, built by the whole country, is the mainstay of transport security and an important asset of Russia. Anticipating the needs, we supply vehicles and provide proprietary service, helping customers achieve inspiring goals. In the history of KAMAZ, there have been many victories and achievements. Since 1969, KAMAZ has tirelessly forged ahead. We have been winning in major competitions and working together with global industry leaders. We have produced more than 2 million trucks and won international recognition. Today, KAMAZ is the country's largest truck-making company, the absolute industry leader. The company is one of the leaders among the top world producers of heavy-duty trucks. The company's market share in the heavy-duty truck segment is more than 50%. Production capacity is 60,000 trucks a year. The KAMAZ group of companies comprises more than 150 organizations in Russia and in foreign countries. The charter capital of KAMAZ amounts to more than 35 billion rubles. A major portion of the shares is owned by Rostec, a Russian state corporation. Daimler AG owns 15% of the company's stock. More than 300 dealerships in the dealer network of KAMAZ are located throughout the whole territory of Russia and foreign countries. KAMAZ maintains business relationships with more than 600 enterprises all over the world. The footprint of the KAMAZ truck and spare parts sales is expanding as a result of KAMAZ gaining new markets. KAMAZ Leasing Company is a subsidiary owned 100% by KAMAZ publicly traded company. Leasing from the manufacturer is the most beneficial and accessible method of purchasing KAMAZ trucks. The company has been operating in the leasing services market since 2002, having a team of young professionals. Today, KAMAZ Leasing Company is #1 in the leasing market of KAMAZ trucks, a 3-time holder of the Company of the Year prize. Annual volume of export of KAMAZ trucks is more than 6,000 units. The company has assembly plants in Vietnam, Kazakhstan, Lithuania, and India. A broad model line of KAMAZ vehicles features different product ranges, catering to current market requirements. KAMAZ trucks today have improved technical and consumer qualities. Expansion of the product range with additional types of products allows KAMAZ products to improve their competitiveness. KAMAZ produces engines as well as power packs and operates its own in-house forge and foundries. The present-day world is dictating new conditions. Setting ambitious goals means to aspire into the future. To achieve these objectives right away means being an innovator. KAMAZ is consistently increasing the volume of investment into the group's technological development. Overtaking the time, we offer tomorrow's solutions. The Research and Development Center of KAMAZ is developing the newest technologies which will shortly be integrated into the foundation of the country's transport system. Every day, the company's test center checks dozens of designs for strength to make KAMAZ customers feel confident when driving on the roads. Each new generation of KAMAZ trucks mirrors the company's policy in innovation. A unique driverless vehicle, NG vehicles meet the requirements of modern megacities, while the KAMAZ cab is a hallmark of innovative technologies in comfort and safety. KAMAZ established joint venture companies to produce components with leaders in this business: ZF KAMA, Cummins KAMA, Knorr Bremse KAMA, and Federal Mogul Nabrezhny Chelny. The company succeeded in achieving a high level of localization in producing the component. The brainchild of the strategic partnership between KAMAZ and Daimler are the two joint venture enterprises, Mercedes-Benz Trucks Vostok, which manufactures and sells heavy-duty trucks Mercedes-Benz Actros and Axor, and Fuso Trucks Rus, to manufacture and sell medium-duty trucks Fuso Cantor in Russia. In partnership with the company Marco Polo, KAMAZ has been producing state-of-the-art buses Bravis on KAMAZ chassis. This enabled KAMAZ to win new market segments in cooperation with partners. KAMAZ's quality. Today, this word collocation is becoming the mantra of the company's development policy. Implementation and improvement of the quality management system proceeds at all the phases of product development and manufacture, beginning from product design, marketing, and ending up with service. As a result, in 2008, the defect indicator APA decreased 8.5 times, while the number of defects per one truck decreased 6.5 times in 7 years. About 40,000 employees are currently working for different companies of the group. KAMAZ is consistently training employees to improve their qualifications by providing innovative training systems for that purpose. Programs of social benefits and subsidies are being carried out. KAMAZ Master is an integral part of the plant. The team inspires the company's success. To the credit of KAMAZ Master are many champion titles in the Dakar Super Marathons. KAMAZ is a socially responsible partner, working for the sake of the shareholders' long-term interests and its employees' well-being.